Anybody else just love posing in a hotel bathroom with great lighting? That's me. So working out doesn't require you to have a huge amount of space in order to have a great workout. You could have a small bedroom, a small living room. It could be in a kitchen. We find ourselves in small spaces sometimes and we just need to find a way to make it work. No, I'm not having a workout in a toilet today. I'll be sharing with you a full body cardio ab workout in the hotel room. As you can see, the space is really small. I can barely get my hands around, so you can just kind of see. Yeah, I can barely spin around, but we'll find a way to make it work.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind.